Alright guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download a sound pack. First, want to go to my Discord. It's gonna be in the bio if you're not in it. Download the one you like. I like this one. It's more. Gonna be adding more too. I like this one, so download it. Go to your Steam. Manage, browse local. Close that. Go to x64, audio, SFX, and then you're gonna want to delete these, the residents and weapons. Minimize that. Now search out files on your search bar, downloads, open up the sound pack, and pull these two up. You're gonna wanna basically just drag them in, both of these, when you deleted the residents and weapons. And I'm gonna be back when I'm in game showing off the sound pack. Alright, when you're in the game, it should sound like this. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to sub, like the video, and we're gonna have a giveaway at 100 people. So everyone join up. We're gonna have new graphics packs, sound packs, everything new coming in. So make sure to join. Later.